Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to clear the cache inside of the Microsoft Edge web browser. If a website isn't responding the way that it should, or if updates have been made to a website and you're not seeing them, you may have to clear the browser's cache in order to fix this. To do this, with Edge open, select the three dots on the top right of your window. Inside of here, choose Settings. Next, choose Privacy, Search and Services on the left, and then scroll down to the Clear Browsing Data section. To clear the cache, select Choose What to Clear. At the top, choose All Time from the drop-down menu, and then below that, make sure that Cached Images and Files is the only thing selected. I would start with this, and if after clearing just this option you still have problems, you can try also selecting cookies and other site data. But this will sign you out of websites, so if you don't have to do it, just try the cache option alone. When you're ready, hit Clear Now and it'll clear the browser's cache. You can also set this to always clear the browser cache if you want every time that you close Edge by choosing the option below Choose What to Clear and enabling cached images and files inside of here. Now every time that you close Edge, your cache will be cleared. Finally, I always like to restart my web browser after doing this. Sometimes it's not necessary, but I feel it's still a good habit. Reopen Edge and you're good to go. And that's how you clear the cache inside of the Microsoft Edge web browser. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.